Marcus Aurelius believed that the warrior does not speak of his bravery, the righteous man does not boast of his purity, and the wise man does not proclaim his wisdom. The true measure of a person lies in their actions, in a life consistently lived with virtue. When one performs something great, noble, or worthy, he never considers it proof of his own sexualness. Thus one should be disciplined, not in need of discipline. This reflects the essence of the Latin wisdom esse quam videre, to be rather than to seem.